Hello, I'm Jess, the founder of Sallie Tomato, and today is the final unboxing day of our Sallie Tomato Co box. We're very excited to share today's gift with you. Day 14. This final item will add a celestial look to your everyday style. Paired with some of the items from previous days, you'll be carrying a little bit of the night sky with you. Thank you for taking this galactic journey with us. We hope you'll enjoy the 2025 Sallie Tomato Co box. We wish you well, and may the stars always shine upon you. Just trying not to wreck this pretty paper. We have another brand new pattern to wrap up this Sallie Tomato Co box. This is our Harriet bag pattern. You can't go wrong with this classic bucket bag shape, and with the addition of the grommet strap connectors, it creates a whole new elevated design. This project is designed to use any fabric on the exterior, from quilting cottons to faux leather and cork. The front slip pocket echoes the bag's shaped top edge, and inside you'll find another slip pocket and zipper pocket. You can also choose between a shoulder strap or adjustable strap. Choose from the fabrics that you received from the Sallie Tomato Co box or from your stash to make the Harriet bag all your own. And we've also included the other supplies needed for this project in previous days of the Sallie Tomato Co box. We hope you've enjoyed every moment of this year's Sallie Tomato Co box. We absolutely love designing and curating this special box for you. If you're interested in next year's Sallie Tomato Co, be sure to click the link below to subscribe to our newsletter so you're the first to know when it's released. We'd love to see your creations. Share your completed projects with us using hashtag Sallie Tomato and hashtag Sallie Tomato Box on social media so we can admire your style and creativity. If you liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. We wish you a so stellar day.